there, Greenie Beanies. It's me, Marvy. Are you as excited as I am for today's video? Then let's watch!
With the power of automatopoeia, a word that sounds like a sound, whoosh, clang, crash. It's automatopoeid.
And worm.
Hey, there are way too many bubbles.
Yeah, aren't they supposed to... What's that word again?
Oh,
Whoa.
Whoa, whoa!
all right, that does it. Onomatopoeid and worm, we need your help.
Knock, knock. Fear not, fine citizens. Automatopoeid is here.
And worm.
Oh, thank goodness that you're here. We used too much soap while washing the dishes, and now, well, as you can see, we need a sound that'll make these bubbles go away.
No problem, my main man. My speakerpeed here can create any sound in the world. We'll do away with those pesky bubbles in no time. Come along, trusty sidekick.
Yeah, let's show those bubbles who's boss.
Now what sound would make bubbles disappear?
Oh, I don't know.
I know. Let's try boing.
Maybe we should keep thinking.
Activate boing. Boing. Bouncing bubbles.
I was about to say onomatopoeid. I think boing is the sound for bouncing.
Don't you worry, crawling companion. If first you don't succeed, try something else.
Okay, but let's think for just a sec.
Activate giggle. Giggle.
I was about to say, I think giggle is the sound of something, well, giggling.
Oh no, this didn't work either. Oh.
Hey, we can't let these bubbles get the last giggle. Let's try again, but this time really think about it.
All right, partner, let's do it.
That's more like it. Now, let's think about bubbles. When bubbles disappear, what sound comes to mind?
Pop, pop. That's it. It's pop. Bubbles go pop.
I think you're right, O.
All right, you big bad bubbles. You're about to be all washed up. Activate pop. Pop, 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 pop.
Yay!
Another sound decision, onomatopoeid.
You said it, intelligent inchworm. You said it.
Thanks for watching. I love sharing these videos with you, Greenie Beanies. It's my favorite. Until next time.